Taking a look at the Fiskars paper cutters. This one's still in the packaging, so I'm just going to show you through the packaging. This is the new style with the paddle. The old style, just for comparison, was a different design, so you needed to clasp it shut because look how tall it was. And because you wouldn't be able to have room in most places to keep something this big, you would close it and then close the clamp here in order to make it the size of what the new one can do, even when you don't need to close it or anything. So these style, there's this style Fiskars. Another style is more like pliers. So depending on where you're cutting or what orientation, if you can bring the piece that you're cutting to the table or not, I find that this type is better because you don't need any hand strength and you can just push with your body weight onto the lever here and it's going to come down and push the cutter. And you can see it inside the packaging coming down. So instead of taking this one out of the package, I'll just show you how that works on the bottom of this older one. And it's the same metal insert, it's just a different type of plastic fulcrum now. But what happens is essentially there's two places where the cutter is going to come through and cut into your cardboard or your paper or whatever stock you're going to put through to be cut into a circle. And it's going to cut from two places and it's going to come around and finish at the front and the back. So it's going to begin in two places and end at two different places, and that creates a nice, crisp, perfect circle. So if you ever need to cut perfect circles out of cardboard, heavy paper, or any kind of paper material, the back of the package will show you how big the circles are going to be. The different sizes are indicated there. The shape is indicated by the front of the handle here. And if you ever need to cut perfect circles, these Fiskars extra large 3XL hole punches for a 3-inch circle is the way to go for perfect circles every time. Hope this helps.